Least favorite noise in the shop.
Does my tapping on dents annoy you guys? And that's why I repair.
It does.
It does.
See, but that's quiet.
It's not.
enough
It doesn't annoy me, but after a while, I'm like, I'll just put my earbuds in. That's it.
You know, like if it's
When I'm blending a whole like side of a car.
it's not that it's like it's the noise threshold for me. Like if you are louder than my noise canceling headphones, then I have a problem.
Turn up your music.
Yeah, then I won't hear anything ever again because I already have enough anyway.